Hi there, meet with me again in new CNC channel. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show how to creating web server using Ubuntu operating system. Okay, before we go to the next step, in here I'm using Oracle Virtual Machine VirtualBox, my Ubuntu running on virtual machine. In my client, I'm using Windows 10 in here. In the background, you can see there. Okay, now uh, let's go to the next step. First thing, I want to log in as super user. I will show what is my IP to you. Okay, and let's using cat statement in here. You can see there I have IP address 192.168.10.1, and for this I want to check in my Windows. I'm sorry, no, not pet. Okay, I want to check in my client. There is, okay, point one is connected. Okay, let clear this after we see the server and the client is connected. I want to install first. There is apt dust get install php. Okay, and press Y on your keyboard and hit enter. This process is need several minutes, guys, so you can sit, relax, and maybe you want to make a cup of tea. Okay, let's wait until the php is done to be installed. Okay, you can see from here, you can see there is a php version 7.2. So this is, I think, the newest version of php. Okay, the php has been installed, and then I think we can install. There is mysql. Let's see, then mysql, yes. Let's hit enter. Because in commonly, with php, we also need a database. So using mysql, we can make a database, and then we can create a dynamic website, not static like just in html mode. Okay, after mysql has been installed, the next or the last step, because we install php, then the apache 2 is included in them. And then let's install php my admin in here. I'm sorry, not quotes in the last of php my admin. Why php? I'm sorry, uh I'm forget to type install in here. Okay, and click yes, and then configure our database. Let's see, I can using this for admin, and to select this option you can using a space keyboard, and then click ok. Okay, after installing php and then mysql and php we can make a dynamic for website. But in this tutorial I'm just show how to creating web server until it works for you creating static file or just showing up the website. But in the next tutorial I want to show how to install WordPress on your Ubuntu. Just wait until this done, guys. Okay, the PHP my admin is installed, and then let's see if we have done everything is good in here. I want to check. Okay, you can see if the PHP my admin on Ubuntu is running well. And then I want to also to check in my Windows. Okay, you can see there is on my server, and this is uh, in my client. But just in for example, okay, you can see in this, I'm sorry, not FTP here, but HTTP, not yet. Okay, this is guys for PHP, I think I mean is Apache 2 in here, and after reloading, okay, it works for now. uh, where is this HTML store? You can go to the for www and html in here, and you can see there is index.html. Let's move index to I'm sorry, index back up, for example. And then uh, let's do certain again, and to create file you can using touch statement index.html like this. And then let's edit the index. I'm sorry, not index, just index.html like this. And then let's creating the web server successfully installed. Let's save this, and let's try to you can see there. Okay, you can see I want to open also in my okay in my client on Windows. You can see there the pic is same within my server. Okay, I think is enough for this, and in the next video I want to show how we can install WordPress in our server, in this case in our Ubuntu operating system. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to get new updates about tutorial in computer and networking. Bye bye.